Peppa will dance if you hit the like button and subscribe.
What's that noise? It looks like a Skibidi Toilet. Maybe it's in the tree. Skibidi Toilet, get down from the tree quickly. I can shake the tree.
Five minutes later.
I will call for the doctor.
My nose hurts.
I see. Say ah. You need a plaster.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Kim, do you speak English?
That's better.
Turn it back on, you stupid pig.
I'll make a racing car for George.
This is Grandpa Pig's shed, where he makes things.
What have we got here?
Maybe this Skibidi Toilet stroller will work for our race car?
No.
Not bad, not bad.
This bit can be the bonnet.
And this can be the seat.
What's your favorite number, George? It doesn't matter what my favorite number is. The most important thing is that my sports car is much faster and better than the Skibidi Toilet.
George's favorite number is 2.
Bim, lackety bee, bom, 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 yeah.
Last of all,